Hello friends, welcome to How to Draw Step by Step. Today I am starting my nature journaling pace. Until I watched the videos of John Muir and listening to the podcast of Bethan Burton, Journaling with Nature, I didn't even know that there is nature journaling. Anybody can do that. So after watching their videos, I motivated to start these pages. Thanks John Muir and Bethan Burton. Thank you very much. Friends, you also watch their videos. There is a lot of information about nature journaling. First I selected the flower plumeria. It is also called frangipani, and after observing the shape of that flower, I used my black gel pen to draw this flower. So while natural journaling, there is no anxiety because we are not focusing on perfection, and there is no judgments at all. Just we are downloading the picture what we see in the nature. That's it. This flower in our mother tongue Telugu called Devaganneru. So now I am giving the colors what I observed in the flower. Here I used Staedtler pencils, Staedtler watercolor pencils for coloring the flower. Now I am writing the name of the flower and its scientific name, everything. So as they told, John Muir and Bethan Burton told that we have to ask 3 questions: what I notice, and next what I notice, what we notice in that flower. I notice soft, beautiful petals, so I am writing it. And whatever information I observed, I noticed in that flower, I am writing that in my notebook. I even write that number of petals 5, and it is yellow, orange, red colors. What I observed in that flower, I wrote it in my book. Next, second part is questioning part. We have to ask question ourselves. I wonder how it has that beautiful colors. For me it is like sunset. In the center there is a red, yellow and orange part, so I felt like that it is like sunset. So you can prepare your own questions while you doing your natural journaling part. These are my questions. Next, the interesting part, third one, is what it reminds you. I enjoyed a lot with the third part because it connected my memories of my childhood days. So in our childhood, we used to go to a temple. It is called Radham temple. So to collect these flowers,